Hey folks, welcome back. Tell you what, it's good to be back. Missed last week. I was vacationing with the family, did not feel like cooking anything. Hope you understand that. I do want to point out, this is my new apron my darling wife bought for me for Father's Day. I think it's accurate. What do you think? Guys, I got some drumsticks here I had down in the freezer, and I realized I had some bald buck seasoning here that I still have some. And I'm gonna glaze these off with some Sweet Baby Ray's. They got a new sweet and spicy, their sugar-free version, and I'm anxious to taste that on here. In the meantime, I got some Prime 6 charcoal just to the left of me, and as soon as it comes up to temp, we're gonna get everything going. So let's get these chicken legs seasoned up. I guess, like I said, bald buck, always good stuff, always good stuff. I'm not gonna go real heavy on here. Although it pours so smooth, it's hard. Where you can, guys, get up underneath the skin a little bit. I don't know if I mentioned we are using the Vortex today. Get some good even cooking all the way around. Just turn it over. Hit the other side. Alright guys, when this comes up to temp, throw our Vortex on and get her going. Get this up. Get our Vortex there in the center as much as possible. And in we go. Oh. That's gonna be one hot fire. Great on. Get this thing heating up. We're a little hotter than I want, but I think once the food gets on here, we're gonna be able to control this a little bit better. Keep this away from the direct heat. What I love about using this Vortex. It's really hot. You can cook indirect. You can adjust it to the temp you want. Just for fun, I got some hickory wood I'm gonna lay right on top of there. I'll check this in about 15 minutes. Alright guys, we're about 15 minutes in. Everything's looking good. My temps are starting to get under control. I just want to give these guys a turn. Started out a little hot. I'm also watching the weather radar. I might have to do a mad dash to the garage. So hot and humid. We got so many pop-up storms coming through from time to time. We got to keep an eye on everything. I'm gonna go ahead and add one more piece of hickory there, and that should do us for the rest of this cook. Alright folks, we're switching to cell phone mode here. I don't know if you can see over my shoulder here. Yeah, that dark stuff's headed my way and it's coming quick, so I might be switching to garage mode and finish indoors. So I'm maybe 10-15 minutes away, so hopefully we can get this chicken done. Alright guys, a little bit of change of plans. We got a storm moving right in on us. I want to check these temps, and we're there. I think we're there on all of these. About 30 minutes into this cook, guys. So I'm looking for 175 minimum. I'm okay if we get up to 180. I'm going to start glazing these. The fire is hot. We got storms all around us, and I don't know how bad it's going to get here, but I shifted over here to the garage. 173, I'm gonna call that good. We're definitely there. Put some glaze on these and we'll be ready. It's a Sweet Baby Ray's. It's the sugar-free, sweet and spicy. Best I can tell, it's brand new on the market. I hear thunder. Guys, I'm gonna glaze these up a couple times, get our food inside, get my family fed, and I'll come back and do a taste test. It was so close. Well, drastically everything shifted inside for obvious reasons, but would you look at that? Got plenty of smoke. I can smell that hickory. I might have too much smoke, but alright guys, we're going with the wet look to finish this video. I had to go change shirts, I was so wet getting everything inside. Guys, this chicken, it looks good, smells good, I smell that hickory smoke. Hope it ain't too much, to be quite honest with you. But that glaze set really good. And I tell you what, it is flat pouring, so if the power goes out, you know what happened. If I finish this in the dark, you know what happened. Pretty good bite to that skin. Pardon my ice maker behind me. Well, that's sweet and spicy. That is tasty, guys. I like that. That's Sweet Baby Ray's. That's a new product. The sugar-free is not new, but their sweet and spicy flavor is new. Guys, that is so good. Bald buck barbecue. I must admit, normally on charcoal that would have been just fine. With that Prime 6, it burns so much hotter than everything else. I probably had a little bit too much charcoal in that vortex. We worked it out. I got everything tampered down and got to cook down right around 400 degrees by the time I was done. So, guys, this was awesome, very tasty. Guys, Prime 6 charcoal. If you're interested, I'll have a link below. Use promo code KEN10, get you 10% off on that. So guys, until next time, God bless you folks. We'll see you on the next video. God bless folks. Bye bye.